Just 1 second before everything went out of control, the camera managed to capture it all. There was no warning, no second chance. And what happened next will make you see the world in a completely different way. Let's begin. Unusual waves reaching up to 80 feet crashed onto Bali. Never stand too close. No beautiful photo is worth risking your safety. Weather forecasts can warn us about natural disasters, but lightning cannot be predicted. The key is to stay alert and run as fast as you can. Luckily, everyone was okay. Here it is. A kiss worth about $20,000. Do you think he has to pay for all the damages? There are moments that seem ordinary, until nature intervenes and inadvertently transforms them into unforgettable memories. Hit subscribe, because what's coming next is even more impressive than this moment. Phew! Hey!
Understand soon.
Did you know? Lightning travels at around 200,000 to 300,000 miles per hour, faster than anything on Earth, yet still slower than the speed of light.
Oh my God!
Imagine you're sitting on this boat and just seconds later, everything around you turns into a nightmare in the middle of the water. Climbing is a passion for millions of people around the world, including me. But keep watching, because safety always starts with proper protective gear. Security cameras don't just catch criminals. They capture moments that leave everyone stunned. Check everything before you drive. Wow. The migration of wildebeests crossing the river in Kenya is more organized than my work schedule. Winds reaching 100 miles per hour and massive flooding are expected to hit Alaska in October 2025. The sheer power of this storm is unimaginable.
Oh! Whoa! Call 199.
A giant sinkhole in California. about 72 feet wide, with a maximum discharge of over 48,000 cubic feet per second, powerful enough to swallow anything nearby. If the drainage system had been more modern, would this have happened? That SUV crossing the bridge is unbelievably cautious. A 38,000-volt power line short-circuit in Puerto Rico left over 12,000 people without electricity.
Что так резко?
Хрена себе. Ни хрена себе.
Oh my God. Floodwaters in Cedar City swept everything away, leaving lasting trauma, especially for the elderly. No one denies aviation safety, but after this moment, concerns begin to rise. Why is the fire truck moving at just 1 mile per hour? Oh my God! After watching this clip, you'll drive more carefully or at least pray faster. Lightning struck a house on the U.S. East Coast. Do you think insurance covers this? I didn't expect that. Everything started with confidence, but didn't end as planned. Northern Pakistan suffered from sudden warming. Glacial lake outburst floods destroyed a bridge. Now, just a memory. Millions of fish are dropped from airplanes to replenish aquatic life in U.S. waters. Watching this makes me happy. These swans use crosswalks better than most people on my university campus. Very satisfying. But I think this scene might be staged or edited with technology. Wow, these dogs don't just obey commands. They can observe and imitate human behavior incredibly fast.
我靠，又来一次。好，接下去，应该。我靠！我去！
Finally, I found someone who knew how to film. Others were either filming from an eel's perspective or from the last century. In my opinion, this area will continue to have accidents without better traffic safety measures. This is what we need to see. Americans helping each other. That's why Texans never feel cold.
Congratulations, you've reached your destination.
Wow, these two cats are having a serious conversation. I wish presidential debates were this logical and civilized.
That's on video. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Black hair is going.
The world is always worth admiring. I see an alien spaceship hiding.
Oh, Starship, all the way here. Engine chill, engine ignition. There's number 2 and 3. And
What's going on with the Ocean City Independence Day fireworks? It must be really hot. Luckily, no one was injured. Hailstones the size of fists shattered car windshields in a Texas storm. If the driver had stopped, this wouldn't have happened. A massive wave can exert millions of pounds per square meter, enough to overturn small boats and damage large ships. Everything looks normal, but look closely. What do you think caused the plane incident?
153, right?
153, yes, you can enter runway 06 right now.
If you find this moment interesting, leave a like. When encountering large waves, steer your boat toward them. Seafarers understand that after a storm comes a calm, a chance to turn around.
Oh! No! Oh! Here!
Wow. The lava eruption was so realistic it looked like something out of a movie. But I wonder what they used to film this moment. This phenomenon is an optical illusion on the frozen lake. The iron bar is almost stationary. What's moving is the ice or water underneath. Florida's west coast now tells a different story. Nature didn't come gently. It swept away millions of dollars from local fishermen.
Working with LV
Watch an osprey
is
dive into a
as
pond to
being
catch
the presenter
fish.
of the Spirits
With a
of the Sky
wingspan of about 20
presentation,
feet,
to be able to see
it truly
LV
looks like a star.
Where is it? Oh, do you see it flopping?
This is the moment you realize luck is a skill. Just one no one can teach.
Are you recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Which moment did you enjoy the most? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Send some praise to the pilot for an excellent landing that helped avoid disaster. A powerful Camaro, a symbol of speed. But this time in New York, it's used to avoid getting wet shoes. Cars don't catch fire without warning signs. The question is, can you recognize them in time? And will insurance cover it? What score would you give his singing voice out of 10? Wow. It's my first time seeing a dog driving a boat on a Texas lake. Amazing. A mermaid 13 feet long and weighing 1,400 pounds. It took 35 minutes to pull it up, but only 90 seconds to release it. A gentle whirlpool spins ice, gradually shaping it into a perfect rotating ice circle in Washington. Always stay alert and wear protective gear when dealing with explosive hazards. 1 second of carelessness can lead to serious consequences. Oh my God! This girl probably used up 80% of her luck today. A massive wave in Australia covered the entire beach and swept away containers, causing millions in damage.
Он должен был двигаться по ее маршруту.
Unbelievable. I think the pilot might have to pay millions for this incident. A fierce food fight between kookaburra birds using their beaks. That's why U.S. experts advise against building houses too close to the coast. This crocodile doesn't care what's happening. It's calmly enjoying its meal.
Okay, this one's bone cruncher. 3.5, 4 metres. A little bit handicapped underneath his mouth there. You want to come up? You're not going to. A 1 in a million thing that way. So, guys, don't go.
Which vehicle is at fault here? Why are there no traffic signals at this intersection? Wow. Unbelievable. A giant tsunami heading toward Rhode Island. Have you ever felt curious about exploring the underwater world? Highways along cliffs can experience landslides at any moment. Why are there no warning signs here?
Eita porra!
Oh my God. An 11,000-pound rock collapsed into Lake Powell, creating a huge wave. Thankfully, everyone was safe. After watching this, you'll be more careful when crossing the street.
Ой, блядь! Ой, ебать! На! Ой, пизда! А он и дальше! Ебать, пизда всему! Ой, уходи, чувак! Иди сюда! Все! Да ну на! Все, ебать!
Porcupine fish may look cute, but they carry dangerous toxins.
Hello,
Be cautious when approaching them.
Hello, pufferfish. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Buddy, it's okay.
Oh my God. It looks like a Hollywood apocalypse scene. A real nightmare. God is great. In spring, birds need feathers for nests, while deer shed fur for summer. Unbelievable. He's riding a modern motorcycle to go grocery shopping. Nature doesn't need to show off, but every appearance makes everything else feel small. That's the end of today's video. I hope you had an amazing experience. Which moment surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for tomorrow's episode. Goodbye, and see you again.